students in the Public Relations Graduate Certificate Program are involved in agency work in both semesters that they're here at Mohawk College. The bulk of that happens in the second semester. So for example, this semester they're working with 6 community not-for-profit groups on a variety of different projects. There are 3 projects specifically that they work on. With the first project, the teams are assigned to develop a strategic communication plan, and they'll work with the client throughout the semester on the development of that plan and then present it to them in a formal campaign presentation format at the end of the semester in a boardroom setting, as they might in a real agency. As the projects go forward, they're also developing a crisis communications plan. So the plan is thrown at them midway through the semester as they're working on the other client projects as a, oh, by the way, type of a project that they have to complete within a 3-week time frame, again, specific to this client's needs. And then the last event that they work on for the client in this semester is a special event. And the special event is planned from the beginning stages through to the final execution, where they actually execute the event on behalf of the client, again based on the specific need that they've identified when they've assessed the communications challenges that the client has. So this semester we have 6 teams, and each team has an account supervisor along with 5 account executives, and each team is challenged with the task of working with the client to help them overcome the challenges that they've come to us with when they've gone through the RFP process here at the agency.